What happens if your heart suddenly stops beating? The moment it stops, blood flow through your body begins to pause. Your brain relies on that flow every single second, and without it, oxygen levels start to drop. Within just 5 to 10 seconds, the brain starts losing normal activity.
Awareness fades, the body goes still, and consciousness is lost. Brain cells need a constant, steady oxygen supply to function properly.
As oxygen drops, electrical signals in the brain slow down too. Brain function pauses here. But here's the important part.
In most cases, permanent damage hasn't happened yet. This is exactly why quick action matters.
If the heart restarts quickly, blood and oxygen can flow again, and the brain begins to recover.
Every second counts during cardiac arrest.
Prepare to shock at 200. I've got a pulse.
Wide awake and ready.
Fast emergency response dramatically improves survival chances. Every second counts.
That's why recognizing the signs, calling for help, and starting CPR immediately can save a life. One heartbeat can be the difference between life and death. When the heart stops, every second counts.